Hello everyone. In this class we are going to read about Python data types. So Python has several built-in data types. Uh, let's start with first is integer. Integers are whole number and they can be either positive or negative number. Second is floats. Floats are decimal numbers and they also can be either positive or negative. Strings are sequence of characters and they are used to represent textual data like hello, my name, your name. These all are strings and characters built from the sequence of characters. Boolean data type is used to represent true or false values. Lists are ordered collection of elements, and the content of that is uh, any types of data. They can be. It's a heterogeneous data types also can be combined into a one list. Tuples are similar to lists and they are immutable, meaning that they cannot be changed once they are created. Dictionaries are unordered collection of key value pair, like employee name, the name of the employee. So here employee name is a key and the name of employee like Ram Mohan is a value. Okay, so and the age 25, here age is the key and 25 value is the value. So similarly these employees have a list of dictionaries, and then we create these kind of data types to store key value pairs. Sets are unordered collection of unique elements. Unique elements, it means is the elements are not repeated here and all elements in the set are unique. Like example is uh, the set of numbers um, which are unique like 1, 3, 5, 8. So here no element is repeated, so they are set of unique elements. So now coming to the some example of numerical data types in Python. Uh, so for integers, you can see here this example x equals to 5 is a positive integer number, whole number, negative and 0. So all are fine with the integer number. Now next to the floats are a equals to 3.14, b equals to minus 2.0.0. So these all are considered as a type float. So we also can print these values also using the print statement, and also we can print the type of these elements. So you can see here these are type of integer. Similarly for float also you can print and you can set the type also. You can take these values a, b and c, and you can see the of type float. These all are, and one more point to consider, everything in the Python is an object. So here the a is of type class type float object, so that you need to consider. So now complex number, you can see these all with the j is the complex number. This is the way to represent a complex number. You can see these values here d, e and f. Now coming next to the, you can see the class complex is of the type, and similarly. Okay, now coming next topic, which is the sequence data type. Sequential data types in Python data types are considered sequential because they are ordered and can be iterated over using a loop or other iteration methods. They have specific indexing and slicing operation that allow to access individual elements or subset of elements within them. So coming first to the example of list, you can see here is it can be homogeneous or heterogeneous type of data into a one list. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 are integer type, 4, 5 here are string data type or character data types here. Now next is a tuple. Tuple is again is a homogeneous or heterogeneous data type of collection of data type, but the things to here note down is tuple is immutable. Once you have assigned the values to it, you can't change the values inside it, but the list can be updated accordingly. Now coming to the next is the strings. Strings are basically sequence of characters. You can see H, E, L, L, O, comma, space O, W, O, R, L, D, exclamation mark. These all sequence of characters is forming a string. Here also you can access by the slicing operations or indexing. Ranges basically allow us to create a sequence of a number or range. Range from 1 to 6 here means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see all these elements here. Next is a byte array. Byte array is a sequence of bytes. Here the values are represented into their byte form, and you can access according to that. So you can also see my list. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I have to access an element in the my list, I can access using my list 0. It will give me the first index value 0, and if I do 1, it will give me the second index value, that is 2. Okay, so indexing start from 0, 1, 2, 3. That's how it goes. And also I can use the -1 to access the last element from the list. Okay, and also I can slice. For slicing I can use start and end, like from the first to 3. So you can see first index here is 1, 2. So start from 0 is 1, 1 is 2, so 2, and then uh, the 0, 1, 2, that is 2 is 3, it's printed here, and the next is will not be printed. So it's a value at the index 1 and 2 will be get printed here. Similarly for my range also, my range is again iterator variable, so you can see it will be range 1 to 6, but for if you want you can write for I in my range print I, you will get all the values which are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The range was from 1 to 6, but it take the values excluding the last value. You can also print my strings, and also you can access similar way. And also in the string you can print alternate number also, like start from till end, print alternate number. So E has been removed, L has been removed, hello world. So you can see that. Okay, so H is printed, E removed, L is printed, L removed, O is printed, um, comma has been removed, space has been printed, then W has been removed, O has been printed, R has been removed, L has been printed, D has been removed, exclamation mark has been printed. So there's a different way to manipulate and use uh, these data types. We'll go more into the details in the coming classes. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.